I found them. What are you up to, monkeys?
We're at the beach and water's so cold. I'm in the water.
Look at Leo.
No.
Look at Leo, he's so crazy. Oh no! Leo!
Man down!
Oh no, man down!
Not really down.
Just pit. No!
Chris, hand at him.
No, I give up. I give up.
Go in, people.
I give up! I give up! I give up! Ah!
Angel, come here. Angel! Angel, come here. I need to tell you a secret. Angel.
Yes.
Why don't you get the bucket, fill it up and get Daddy with it? It's over here, look. This purple one.
Oh, the Leo, that is freezing! Try. Oh, Angel, come here, I'm gonna get you!
Angel, that was a good prank.
No. You're getting yeah.
No, I'm not. Now you're wet! Right, ready to throw him! It's nice, it's sunny.
You alright there?
Yeah?
Are you just relaxing?
Yeah.
It's really, really hot today, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's 17.
Really hot. You just keep looking out there for Leo.
Leo, you alright?
Keep an eye on him.
Leo, you alright? Is he alright?
It's boiling, yeah.
Angel!
Are you still hot, Daddy?
I'm gonna get her. That is it.
Ha ha ha. A good trick that, wasn't it, Leo?
Come here, I'm gonna throw you back.
Upstairs.
Nearly there. What did you do? Look at that ducky.
No.
Look at it, no, really?
Hello, quack quack. Are you wet enough?
Yeah.
Are you dripping?
These children are so naughty, I'm gonna get them.
I'm putting you into the water. Hi, Mary.
What are you doing? Whoa. I'm just gonna sit down for a little while. Oh, you naughty children! You naughty children!
Wait!
Gonna get them again. Come here.
Oh no!
Forward.
Read
Sit down.